Hello everyone, in this video we are going to look at the types of IPv6 addresses and how IPv6 unicast addresses, GUS and the ULAS are used. IPv6 addresses are classified into unicast, multicast and anycast addresses. Unlike IPv4, IPv6 does not have broadcast addresses. Instead, it uses multicast addresses. In addition, IPv6 supports anycast addresses. Now, let's look at these types of addresses. An IPv6 anycast address uses the unicast address space to identify a group of interfaces that typically belong to different nodes. A packet whose destination address is an anycast address is generally forwarded to the nearest node identified by the anycast address. The nearest node is determined by the routing protocols in use. DNS is a typical application scenario of anycast addresses. An IPv6 multicast address has prefix like this. It is similar to an IPv4 multicast address. The difference is that IPv6 supports a new type of multicast address, which is the solicited node multicast address. This kind of address is automatically created when a node is assigned a unicast or anycast address. The node then automatically joins the multicast group. What is the format of this address? A solicited node multicast address has a fixed 104-bit prefix, like this. The subsequent 24 bits are copied from the far right 24 bits of the corresponding IPv6 address of the device. This type of address is mainly used for address resolution, neighbor discovery, and duplicate address detection. An IPv6 unicast address can be a global unicast address, unique local address, link local address, loopback address, or an unspecified address. As is the case with public IPv4 addresses, GUS are globally routable and reachable in the IPv6 Internet. And similar to private IPv4 addresses, LLAS are valid and used only on the local links. Packets whose source or destination addresses are LLAS will not be forwarded to any other links. That's all for this video about IPv6 address. Thank you for watching.